Today we have the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 76,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our charge, Apple and Android CarPlay, media and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with a 360 degrees view, as well as parking sensors. If we press here, we can access our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.